Дорогие друзья, уважаемые поклонники смешанных боевых единоборств, представляем вашему вниманию трехраундовый поединок в легком весе. И в синий угол приглашается спортсмен из Российской Федерации. Приветствуйте, Андрей Лебедев!
You're watching MMA Series 17 Blacksmith, live from Anapa in Krasnodar, Russia. Brought to you by the Football Sports Network and around the world on the Clash TV app. I'm ENM16 Butlin, and this is bout number 6 on our card here this evening. Making his way down to the cage for this lightweight contest, it's Andrey Lebedev. Lebedev, fighting out of Russia, has a record of 1 win and no defeats. Remember, you can download the Clash TV app from the App Store, iPhone, iPad, and you can join in, score in the fights, clap for your favourite fighter, and discuss the fights in the chat room. Brought to you this evening by the Football Sports Network. The lightweight division, 70 kilograms, 70.3 kilograms is actually the exact weight for 155 pounds. Believe me, when you're cutting down to lightweight for these professional fighters, 0.3 of a kilogram makes a lot of difference. It could mean half an hour less in the sauna. If you have any questions, fire them into the Clash TV app.
Красный угол приглашается спортсмен из Республики Камерун. Приветствуйте, Бертран Камге!
His opponent for this lightweight contest, all the way from Cameroon in Africa, Bertrand Kamge. Kamge making his debut on this huge stage here in Russia. But for anyone who has seen his countrymen play football, I believe nerves do not really exist in their culture. The dancing, the flamboyancy of the sportsman from Cameroon is well known around the world. Bertrand Kamge looking to make an impact here in Russia against Andrey Lebedev on his home turf. So as I said, yes, lightweight, 70.3 kilograms with the pound allowance. 155 pounds or 156 pounds. These fighters will have made weight yesterday, and then they have around 36 hours to rehydrate, taking fluids, taking carbohydrates, and getting themselves into the best physical condition they can, ready to fight.
Итак, господа, это трехраундовое противостояние в легком весе, весовая категория до 70 килограммов. Представляю вам оппонентов. И первым по традиции спортсмен в синем углу. Ему 24 года, рост 179 сантиметров, профессиональный рекорд. В одном бою 1 победа. Он представляет Российскую Федерацию, город Краснодар. В синем углу Андрей Лебедев. Его соперник в красном углу. Ему 25 лет, рост 177 сантиметров. Это профессиональный дебют. Спортсмен представляет Республику Камерун. Приветствуйте, Бертран Камге! Рефери поединка Армен Мананян, Россия.
Боец готов. Боец готов. Time.
MMA Series 17 Blacksmith. I'm ENM16 Butlin, and this is a lightweight contest. Lebedev in the blue, Kamge in the red. Lebedev we saw on MMA Series 7 with a fast TKO win, and he'll be looking to come out here again, I am sure, and make an impact fast on a debut fighter from Cameroon. Both sharing low kicks. Midpoint kick from Lebedev. Lebedev using his footwork to back up the man from Cameroon. Forcing Kamge around the outside, who switches. Drop down for the clinch, but caught with the underhooks of Lebedev, who's now forced him back onto the fence. Using that underhook as he tries to get 2 underhooks, and he has. Looking to out-wrestle Kamge, pushing against the fence. Kamge managed to get the arm back in. Looking for wrist control, Lebedev. And he goes for the spinning elbow. Pushed down the wrist from the wrist control. Went for the spinning elbow. Actually went off balance. Managed to get himself back to his feet. Now it's Kamge looking for a single leg. Guillotine attempt, and it was a tight guillotine. That's what happens when you leave your head into the sides, going for the single leg. He attacked for the single leg takedown, left his head right in place for the guillotine. Lebedev takes advantage and gets the submission. 2 wins out of 2 on the MMA series. 2 fights as a professional, Andrey Lebedev.
Уважаемые поклонники, смешанных боевых единоборств поединок длился 1 минуту 20 секунд удушающим приемом. Одержал победу боец из России Андрей Лебедев, Краснодар. Заслуженные аплодисменты, памятные сувениры, пояс победителя сегодняшнего турнира. Давайте поддерживать, друзья. Давайте аплодировать. Это так важно для наших ребят, для наших настоящих героев спорта, которые в такое непростое время тренируются, занимаются и показывают такие яркие результаты. Аплодисменты нашему уважаемому гостю. Его профессиональный дебют оказался неудачным. Давайте поддержим, давайте поаплодируем. Общее фото на память с нашим почетным гостем. Прошу, прошу. Андрей, мы тебя поздравляем с яркой, досрочной победой.
As we watch the replay, Andrey Lebedev getting that sharp guillotine win there against Kamge from Cameroon. Shot in for the single leg, left his head on the outside, and the guillotine was there for the taking. Quick finish from Andrey Lebedev, who's 2-0 on the MMA series.